Swagatam in my lecture series Learning Computer with Seeing the Natural Beautiful Sights of Indian Village. Sitaram Jai Sitaram, Sitaram Jai Sitaram. Sitaram Jai Sitaram, Sitaram Jai Sitaram, Jai Shri Ram. Om Namah Shivaya, Jai Bajrangbali, Jai Hanuman. So today in this lecture, I would like to talk about the word originating from letter T, and the first word in this series is, and the first word I like to choose in this series is telnet, an application level protocol that enables a user to log into another computer from his current computer in a network environment. Telecommunication, transmission of data between computer system and or terminals through telephone facilities. Tape drive, a device used for storage and retrieval of data stored on a magnetic tape. Tablet PC, a miniaturized laptop that qualifies as handheld computers. Tape controller, a device which is connected to and controls a tape drive and interprets the commands for operating a tape. Tape density, amount of data that can be placed over a given length of tape. Tape density is usually expressed in bytes or characters per inch. Template, a standard format used to quickly create new documents in the same format. Terabyte, the memory storage equal to about 1 trillion, that is 10 to the power 12 bytes, is known as terabytes. Teraflop, the 10 to the power 12 floating point arithmetic operation per second, is known as teraflop. Testing, process of making sure that a program performs its intended task. Text, a multimedia component that contains alphanumeric and special characters. Thermal printers, a printing device that utilizes paper which is sensitive to heat. Third generation computers, the computer built between 1964 to 1975. They use integrated circuit in central processing unit, high speed magnetic core mechanism, magnetic core main memory is powerful high level language and time sharing operating system. Throughput, the total amount of usable processing carried out by a computer system within a given time period. It is measured as the number of processes completed by the system per unit time. Thread, in a multi-threading system, the basic unit of central processing unit utilization is a thread. A process consists of an address space and one or more thread of control. All the threads of a process share the same address space, but each thread has its own program counter, its own register states, and its own stack, also known as lightweight process. जय सीताराम. ओम नमः शिवाय. ओम नमः शिवाय. जय बजरंगबली. Time division multiplexing, a method of sharing a communication channel in which the total time available in the channel is divided among several users, and each user of the channel is allotted a time slice during which he may transmit a message. The channel capacity is fully utilized by interleaving a number of data streams belonging to different users into one data stream. Time slice, the short period of a time during which a user processes gets attention of central processing unit in a time sharing system. It is also known as time slot or a quantum. Time log, a log documentation automatically maintained by many computer systems. It describes in detail how a computer system was used during a day. Time sharing, a mechanism to provide simultaneous interactive use of computer system by many users in a manner that each user is given the impression that he/she has their own computer. It was multi-programming with a special central processing unit scheduling algorithm to achieve this. Top-down approach. A disciplined approach to system program design in which top-level functions are decomposed into a hierarchy of understandable lower-level modules for better management and easy handling. Touch screen. A simple, intuitive, and easy to learn input device that enables users to choose from available options by touching with their finger the desired icon or menu item displayed on a touch-sensitive computer system. Track. In a case of magnetic disk, one of many circular concentric rings used for storing data. In case of magnetic tape, a horizontal strip or channel running the full length of the tape and used for recording data. Trackball, an input device that serves as an effective pointing device. Transaction file, a file in which current data are stored for subsequent processing, usually in combination with a master file. Transducer, a device capable of changing signals from analog to digital form and vice versa. Transistor, a controlled electronic switch fabricated using a semiconductor. It is extensively used in design of various electronic equipment. Transponder. Transponder, a device mounted on a communication satellite that receives, amplifies, and retransmits signals from Earth station. Twisted pair cables. Twisted pair cable, a simple, inexpensive, and slow wire transmission medium. It consists of two bunches of thin copper wires, each bunch enclosed separately in a plastic insulation, then twisted around each other to reduce interference by adjacent wires. It is also called unshielded twisted pair UTP cable. Turnaround time. Elapsed time between submission of a job to a computer system for processing and completion of the job. Truth table, a table that gives output values for various input combinations for a logical expression. Transport network. Transport network, a component of a video on demand VOD system that delivers video programs from video server to customer. It possesses high data transfer rate to meet real-time delivery requirement of video traffic. Jai Shri Taram, Jai Shri Ram. With this, I would like to end my this lecture. Om Namah Shivaya.